start at the 150, see what that does, and then clear these little reels here. Oh, but let's clear them with an actual line pay, please. All right, don't just lock them in if you're not going to pay them, right? All right, I guess I'll see what the fourth reel will do. See what 225's got for us. Oh, I like seeing that 750. Oh, all right. Just keep them all locked in some form or fashion. All right, I like that 750 I'm seeing. Hey, firelink feature. What the what? All right. That's what I'm talking about. We just sit down, clear out 150, and then jump up to 225 to get a feature. And I do love the firelink feature so much. As long as it unlocks these reels up here at least. Come on. Yeah. Bam, there's a mini. All right. Let's see a mega right up there. But also we unlock up there. Hey, mini, okay. All right, now let's fill up this reel. Or this column, or whatever it is. All right, lockdown here going on. All right. I'd love to see a firelink re-trigger. Come on, guys. Unlock that mini. Oh, come on. 2 minis. You can't stop now. Can't stop now. Oh. All right. Well, not bad. Right? Especially for, right after hitting one. Or right after starting. Not bad, not bad. Now it feels like it's really building up to something. Let's see a few real clears now. Maybe just drop a mega in there too for fun. Or another firelink feature would be rad. Alright, little dumplings. Oh, get those free games, right? Love those free games. Oh, teapots, alright. Hey, not a bad little line pick. Come on. Oh, hey, 750 in the first reel feels doable. Alright, alright, let's land that mini too. Hey, oh, and that firelink that landed right behind it. How do I get that thing? Yeah! Ooh. Right, 1050. Right. Don't die on me now. Keep it going. Land it. Oh, I saw a 30 go by. Oh my gosh, every other reel but that one, basically. Alright, come on. Land that firelink feature right there. Hey, alright. Real pays, although I want a bonus. Oh, alright, fill up this one with something. Come on. Also, I'll take that 1125 while we're here. Oh, boy, it's trying to keep these fireballs coming at least. Alright. Boy, yeah, no space for that free games now. This is all real pays. Come on, cha-cha-cha! Oh. Cha-cha-cha! Couple bucks on that. Right. Oh, hey, 1125 if that first reel hits. Cha-cha-cha. Right, it's trying. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of fireballs if they'll connect. Come on, pay out, guys. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Oh. Let's clear out that reel. One more for bonus sake. $2.50, and then I may try a few at $3 bets. Maybe clear out this last reel. Come on, hit a bonus. Do it. Last one right in there. Oh, I bet it was tucked right behind or something. Come on. That fourth reel. Come on. Oh, get out of here, Minnie. You're nothing. I'm gonna jump up to 3. Get that feature win out of here. Replace it with my own feature win. Alright, come on, let's see these balls drop. Oh, yes. Cha-cha-cha, come on. Or free games, or free games. Hey. Alright, come on, cha-cha-cha. Hey, alright, it just did it there. It misunderstood which reel I wanted, yeah. Not bad, come on. Wide open for free games if you're ready to hit them. Give it a pause, and a hit. Okay. Alright, come on, little machine. Oh, those free games want to hit. I know they do. Yeah, alright. Second reel, it's like 20 minutes. Not bad. Let's see some free games. Oh, come on. I'll take that Firelink feature again if you want to give me that. That was pretty cool. Come on. Oh. Cha-cha-cha. A lot of room to get stuff. Hey, alright. Clear that little reel out, yeah. Take that all day. Do it. Cha! Yes! Alright, now hit another one. Oh, alright. Well, still, very nice. Good deal. Let's get some free games. Oh, and I think this is the one that can trigger Firelink potentially too. Yes, come on, free games, Firelink. Fill them up, first spin. Oh yes, okay. I love that. Now let's fill up some reels. Yeah, it's one of the features in there. Come on. I gotta get at least one reel filled. Come on. Fill them up. Give me a nice juicy number over here. Alright, let's try it. Hey, there we go. Woo. Love to see a full reel. Seriously, 5x or the feature. 5x or the feature. Come again. Oh, that's alright. Right, I'll take 2x. Better than nothing. Fill up another one though. That's even better. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, alright. Not bad. Anything else for me here? Diddly-diddly-diddy-diddy-dee. Love those free games so much. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, hit them again. Back-to-back free games would be great. Oh, come on. Oh, that first hit always makes me feel like it's gonna do it. Oh, Firelink. Alright, I'll take a mini if you want to give me a little mini. It is kind of silly that the mini is $10 and there are like balls that are $10 on this one, but it's fine. Oh, come on. There. See another Firelink. That's such a good feature. Oh. Do it, jump, jump. Yes! Oh my gosh, yes! Alright. More free games. Let's see some more free games. That's what I'm talking about. I want to see every reel filled up this time. Come on, one more for that one. Cha-cha-cha. Oh. All right, keep them coming, keep them coming. Just keep landing fireballs. Cha-cha-cha. Come on, da-da-da-da. Do give me some cash balls. Oh, come on, fill them up though. Cha-cha-cha, yes, all right. I'll fill up these two as well. Come on, Firelink feature. And 4X. Oh, okay, I'll take that. Fill them up, come on, fill up this one too. The last one gave me one fill up, it's gotta give me two now, right? That's just how numbers work. Cha-cha-cha. Alright, well at least I got another little fill up. That's not bad. Not bad. It's trying to keep me going. Sorry. Stop the celebration. I was just so excited to get to that next Firelink feature. Gotta have one right around the corner. Just fill this up. Come on. Cha-cha-cha. Oh. Do another free games, please. Come on. Cha-cha-cha. I would take more free games, you know I would. I want to keep going. I'll take a minor all day. Come on. Oh, 2 out of 3. Oh, 80. Hello. Sorry, minor, I'm over you. Let's get this 80, right? Oh, I saw some go by. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Keep loading it up, load it up. Alright, don't stop now though. Oh, alright, last chance for the last one. Oh, too mean. Right? Let's see a nice free game drop in here. It's wide open for that now. Alright, still plenty of room for free games. You just do that one. I've gotten it before. It's not easy, but it happens. Come on, you know you want to. Just drop them in there. Come on, last chance on the Firelink feature. Do it, or do this one now. Although I do love it when it starts with 8. That's nice. Come on, little feature. Don't let me think don't let you think I'm greedy. Just, I'll take it. I'll take it. Don't get me wrong here. Come on, cha-cha-cha. Oh. And the cha-cha-cha.